Oh my God, you guys gotta check this out. We built the world's most powerful potato cannon. It's powered with oxygen and acetylene, not hairspray. We taught the new kid how to build it in the first week of working with us. We put an ultra slow motion camera on this thing so you can see the potato explode in ultra slow motion. Check it out. All right, this is the first project Alex has made. It's a full-blown potato cannon. We're lighting this thing with oxygen and acetylene. We're about to let it rip.
Molten heat is supposed to flow. Grinding steel and stacking dimes, making sure the gauge holds back the pressure lines.
Yes.
We took a hollow tube and some 3-inch plate, building up a heavy metal tool for fate. Now we're loading up the payload, aiming for the stars, better lock the window.
Let's fire that thing one more time for y'all.
Frames of thunder caught inside the lens. Watch the world go blurry where the asphalt ends. It's high-speed country engineering, baby. The fastest piece of produce.
Did you see that? Did you see that? What are we gonna shoot next with this thing?
The camera's cranked up and the field is wide. Nowhere for that rusted spud to run and hide.